Okay, folks, Tai Chi Tony's Kitchen Annex. We going in. We got a little something here. So let me take this first thing off. Ooh-wee! That's Yardbird. Sitting in funky, dirty ass water. Ha ha! It's brine. Sitting in brine that's been in there about 16, 18 hours. Those are the smaller pieces. Thigh, leg, and y'all call them drumsticks and wings. And we're just gonna take this, dump them on in there, and drain. Now you see all the rest of the chicken, and we're just gonna do the same thing. Maybe you can see all these seasonings and whatnot in there.